Today, I'm making my avocado egg muffins. First, finely chop 1/4 cup red bell pepper. Avocados are great. They can help your digestion, they're a natural detoxifier, and may help in weight loss. Next, slice the avocado in half. Avocados are also beneficial for a healthy heart and vision. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Remove the seed. And now spoon out the avocado. Mash it with a fork. A few lumps will remain, and this is fine. Add the eggs and whisk. Add the red peppers, the cheese, and the chives. And mix well. Add the Italian seasoning, the salt, and pepper. Whisk well to incorporate all your ingredients. Now fill your muffin cups 3/4 of the way full. Bake on 375 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're done.